Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to change lock screen wallpaper on Android. So to do that, you have to go to your settings, and in here you will find the display option. Hit over there, and you have to go to your wallpaper. So let's say where we can find the wallpaper settings. If you can't find it in here, you have to go back and search for wallpaper. So let's search in here, wallpaper. So go to wallpaper install, and here change the wallpaper for your phone. So here tap on change wallpapers. So from here you can change wallpaper for any one of it. So let's say I want this wallpaper, and then just select the lock screen and tap on next, and your lock screen wallpaper will be changed. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.